Hi, this is Meenakshi from Swapchar. Today I'm going to explain to you few points which will help you to get relief in cold, cough, congestion and even in sneezing, which you may get along with cough and cold or maybe due to some allergic reactions due to smoke, dust or pollen grain allergies. What you have to do is you have to use a green color, and with that you have to write minus 45 with like this, minus 45 on your palm just under your thumb, and it can be written on either of the palms, either on the left side or on the right side. This will save you from any congestion happening in your lungs. The second point is you have to write minus 19 like this in the middle of your thumb, the upper phalange, and this will save you from any kind of allergic reactions that you get from smoke or dust and that causes sneezing. You can also use any blue ballpoint pen for writing this number on your thumb. This can also be written on any of the thumbs. Along with that, you have to apply either almond oil or mustard oil or coconut oil inside your nose, inside the nostrils, so that it smears the whole lining and it will save you from any allergic reactions from dust and smoke. As the spring is coming now, so there will be a lot of pollen grain in the air. That will also help you to keep yourself safe from all those allergic reactions. Have a good time, have good health. Thank you.